But those new community cases in eastern Arkansas made for a tense daily briefing today. And it came as members of the White House task force testified virtually before the U.S. Senate. THV 11's Rolly Hoyt asked about the political pressure on our state leaders.
While there are 50 different governors with their own approach to the virus, the presidential politics of it all can't be avoided. And in a state that's already seen criticism for not completely locking down, the national media and their experts have been skeptical of Arkansas's efforts. It leaves private citizens confused over what they can and can't do safely.
Anybody who looks at the decline in positivity, the decline in the cases over that period, then we met the criteria for phase one.
But so many of us aren't tracking every trend in the outbreak, and national media aren't diving down into our data either. It's confusing and leaves experts like Dr. Nate Smith open to criticism.
Their statements have to do with the nation as a whole and a particular concern for this period of time. They're not addressed specifically to Arkansas.
And from the beginning, Arkansas has had a different approach.
Arkansas does not fit neatly into the opening up America again phases.
Everyone expects spikes to occur, but the key will be whether states know why. Dr. Anthony Fauci warned senators about spikes brought on if states gave up measures that have been working so far.
Because I feel if that occurs, there is a real risk that you will trigger an outbreak that you may not be able to control.
But the governor and his advisors say they understand that, and it's time to look ahead.
And that's where the debate is now, and that is where we are. Phase one, when can we get to phase two? And that's why it's so critical to stay on the right path.
Going to take action based on what we're seeing in today's numbers, and that's how we will be doing it really pretty much going forward until COVID-19 is in the history books.
Rolly Hoyt, THV 11 News.